In this video, we're going to try to find as many marketing ideas for random startups in 10 minutes. I'm going to use Product Hunt to get a list of startups that just launched today. So let's start with the first one, which is vary your photos and turn moments into stories. So we're going to paste it into Exploding Insights and generate a bunch of marketing ideas. So it seems like what this product is, it takes your picture and then it turns it into stories. They have a credit system where you can buy paid credits. So here are some of the ideas that we were able to generate with Exploding Insights. The first one is a photo story creator that helps people take pictures and turn it into stories. So this could be a mini tool. This one is pretty interesting, like a caption generator. So what you can do is you can create a tool that takes their picture and then generates the captions for their Instagram, TikTok, or whatever. This one's pretty interesting. You can create a tool that generates a collage of all their pictures. All these could be free tools, and then you can just take the free tool and then funnel people into your paid product. So that's the idea of these marketing ideas. Let's just keep going. This one's pretty interesting, where you can create like a link that you can share to other people that has all your different stories. This one's pretty interesting actually. So maybe you can generate a tool that takes their video and then turns it into separate like stories or pictures that the user can post on their Instagram/TikTok. This one is really unique. So basically like a social platform where you can see stories from all over the world. So it's Snapchat maps, but you can probably curate it for specific niches, like a social network that people can share all the dog pictures. So yeah, let's check another startup out that launched today. So let's do this one. So this one is, let me just paste it into Exploding Insights first. And as it's generating, we will see what this startup does. So it generates a bunch of latte animations. If you guys don't know what latte is, it's like GIFs, but it's artful. It's like better art. It's just like animations, and I guess their product is like a editor to make GIFs and animations. And they have a paid plan. Probably it allows you to export the animations without a watermark, if I'm guessing. But yeah, I'm not gonna sign up, but yeah, they do have a paid plan, and this is like their site. So let's look at some of the marketing ideas. This is their main product. Let's see. This one's pretty cool, having a player that you can embed and play all these animations. This is probably good for SEO, especially if you're able to get people to share it on their websites. This one's pretty interesting. Basically like create a library of really highly curated animations, and people will generally share it if it's highly curated. Like maybe you could create a tool that allows you to compare two animations and gives you critique on which one's better. This suggestion is getting feedback on the animation that you made. This one's pretty cool. Like maybe you have a feature where it's like a leaderboard of the top requested animations, and then you can ask other people to generate those animations for you. This could turn into a marketplace where a group of people create these animations and people could pay for those animations. So that's the idea. Maybe you could have a leaderboard of the trends in the world, and then based off of the trends, you could create animations off those trends, or even just have a leaderboard of the animations that you're seeing on the websites. Just basically like finding what's popular on other websites and then giving people insights of what's trending, and just allow them to also create those animations. So let's go over another one, AI Research Assistant. So let's see what marketing strategies you can do to get traffic for this app. So it seems like what they do is automates data collection and analysis and reporting. So you can focus on learning and decision making, summarize and outline and write. So it's basically like a research helper for people that are in school, and they probably have a paid plan for this as well. So let's see some marketing ideas. The first one is a topic generator. So this seems pretty good, especially if people are writing a lot. Maybe you can have a tool that helps generate you topics that you can use for all your essays. Keyword analyzer. This is probably not as relevant because these people are probably going to be in school, but this could be interesting if you're targeting people that are working at like big tech or big agencies that have specific needs to rank these articles on Google. This one is definitely a good idea, especially if you're writing a lot of articles. Like you have a free tool that generates ideas, and then from the free tool you funnel them into your paid product. This one is interesting, especially if you're writing articles and you're publishing it online. I think having a text to voice or voice to text that allows you to write faster, especially because like when you speak, it's 10 times faster than if you type. So that's the idea, which is allowing you to write your essays faster just by speaking it out loud. Yeah, so a lot of this is finding audiences. So this is pretty good if you're not sure like what to write about and which person to target for. Trend analysis. This could be pretty interesting because if you're not sure what to write about and you want it to go viral, then having a database or a leaderboard of the most trendiest topic in the world so that you could write for that topic, I think that could be pretty interesting as well. All right, so this one seems interesting. So generate React code with prompts or images using AI. This app is probably similar to ChatGPT, but it might be more fine-tuned or refined to get better results. But basically it allows you to screenshot your app idea and then it will generate all the code for it. So here's a quick little preview of what they do. So you can like chat with your code or chat with your screenshot and it turns it into code. So that's the idea of the product, and they probably have a paid plan where it's like a better model or something. Let's go over some marketing ideas. So the first idea is, let's see, this one's pretty good. So maybe you can create like an open source repo on GitHub that allows you to generate boilerplates for free. So it's like a code base that anyone can clone and use it for their product. So like the people that would want a boilerplate probably would use this product as well, which is why this is a decent idea to test. This one could be pretty good, like a startup idea validator. So like a tool that validates your startup. Basically, the people that would use this product are people that are building a product over the weekend that want to make their first dollar, or they just want to find something that they can test and validate that can make money. So all those people could probably use any of these tools here, which is startup idea validator or design prototype generator. So just like actually generating the app design. I think right now their product, you have to give the designs like a feature where the AI could generate you the mockup would be useful. So what you would do is just like type in, oh, I want an app that can order pizzas online, and then you just type that in and then it generates the actual mockup. And then from the mockup, you approve it or make changes, and then once you're happy, then it generates the code. So that's the idea where it's like the full funnel. Yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll probably make another video if you guys like this series. Please let me know in the comments. But yeah, this was a bunch of ideas that you can use for your own marketing ideas. So I will see you guys next time.